Hello everyone, this is Jess, also known as Antic Stock on Facebook. We will have a free raffle. Please join, and I'm inviting everyone. If you have some friends that you want to join, please tell them. So let's go first to the prices. The prices will be, first prize will be a pure yellow-legged hatch broodcock, and then the second prize will be a pure machine Kelso bull hen. And the third prize will be a half McLean, half yellow-legged hatch bull stag. Now we also have some prizes aside from those three. It's from BMEG, and it's from Leeds Animal Health and Natural Solution. So the prices from them will be one box of Power Max and another box of Feather Shine, and then also another box of CXD3. And then from Leeds Animal Health and Natural Solutions Corporation, they will give out a Powerfowl vitamins, and then also a Selvet E. It's a vitamin E with studio. So there will be in Leeds 20 people that will win, and then in BMEG there will be 4 people that will win, and then each of those 4 will have 1 boxes of the prizes. So those are the prices. Now let's go to the mechanics, how to join. It's free, totally free. Mechanics will be 4 steps. You like the page. Second, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Third, you share this post in the Facebook post. Fourth, you make a comment in YouTube, in this video in YouTube, and make sure you comment your name. After this video that I'm making, I will the continuation of this is the part 2 of the interview of Sir Glenn Yap Lim. So please finish the video, and you will learn a lot from that interview. So thank you so much, and I hope you'll join. I hope you will help me with this. In return, I'll give out some freebies also. And if you continue to support me, I have talked with some of the companies that we will make this a monthly event. We will have a monthly raffle. So thank you so much, and I hope you support me. Thank you so much.
Every night, nasa ilaw yan sila until 9:30.
Until 9:30.
Para tataas yung hormones nila. You know, that's the reason why yung mga poultry, egg-laying poultry, iniilawan din nila yung mga layers.
Para tataas ng hormone.
Tataas ng hormone, mangitlog ng marami. Isipin mo, sa isang poultry, malaking difference. Malaking difference. Magkakaroon ng 20% to 25% increase in egg production. Yes, pag nailawan na hanggang 9:30 ng gabi, no? Kasi parang ini-extend mo yung lighting. Kasi parang ginagaya mo sa nature. Pag summertime mas mataas yung araw, di ba? Matagal dumilim. Doon mas nangyari sa nature, mas maraming nangyari breeding. Sa nature, yung mga ibon, yung mga kung ano yung mga hayop nasa labas sa nature, doon sila nagbe-breed kasi mataas ang araw, day length. Ibig sabihin, tumaas yung hormone nila, nililibugan yung mga hayop pag ganyan. Okay? Kaya alam naman natin, ang manok, influenced din by hormones, no? Pag ang manok, tumaas yung hormone, mas magaling sila lumaban, no? So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Yung tinataas ko yung artificially. No, pwede mo naman gayahin ang nature eh. No? Na tataasan mo yung day length. So, nakailaw sila ng ilang linggo. How many weeks? Like 3 weeks.
2 weeks, so 21 days na.
3 weeks sila na nakailaw ng extended light hanggang 9:30 bago patayin. Nandyan lang sila sa 3x3. No? So, after that, derby na. After the derby, siyempre, hindi mo na sila ilalagay sa ilaw. Magmo-molt ka agad yan. Magtatanggalan ng balahibo. So, maaga sila, let's say, nalaban mo ng December, pag-abot ng April, March, April yung derby. Ganda na yung balahibo nila. Okay. Ito nga, 6 lang yung nahanap ko manok. Tinawagan ko si Victor. Sabi ko, Vic, puta, 6 lang yung manok ko dito ah. Paano ako makalaban yan? Sabi niya, that's all you need, man. Sabi ko, sige, bahala na. O yun. Sa awa ng Diyos, nag-champion. No? Nag-share ng championship eh. 5 points lang yung champion eh. So kami 7 kami kasama si Jay Gat, no, Jomel Gat ng Bayan, magkatabi nga kami ng Cock House. Sino pa yung kaano namin? Basta 7 kami, no? And that time in Iloilo, I met the best of the best. No? I met the best of the best. So mga presidente yun eh ng mga association. No? And then, dalawang Negros Association yun. GF Band, tapos isang Bohol. Basta, I met, I don't wanna mention na kung sino. Basta mga mabigatin. No? And, yun, memorable sa akin talaga yun. Kasi, out of 6 lang yung manok ko pinili. Pero, nakashare ako sa championship
tapos mabibigat pa ang kalaban ko.
Because they were killers. Nagkataon lang 4 sa kanila. Out of the 6, 4 sa kanila may butcher blood. Butcher roundhead. Tapos yung dalawa may black blood ko. The black blood ko.
Butcher taga mga blacks.
Mga killers talaga, mabilis lang pumatay na kahit na ilalim, patay pa rin yung kalaban. So, it's just nagkataon lang na yung natira sa akin at the time, yung 6, 4 doon, may butcher blood, half butcher, half roundhead. Then yung dalawa, may black blood. Nagkataon lang. Anyway, yun din. That's if you have the right, like I said, kung tama yung manok mo, if you have the right chicken, yun. Wala na. You don't need that many. Hindi mo kailangan ng marami. No? Meron nga akong isang pamilya noon. Ito, pagyayabang na to, pero totoo to. Kahit magtanong ka sa mga naka-witness nito. Meron akong 2 stag na in the stag season alone, from September to December, nanalo 5 beses bawat isa.
Ano yun, sir?
Yung isa, Albany Roundhead. Yung isa, puti. Puti. Yun. Kilala mo naman si Edwin. Yung mananari. Yung payat na siya yung naglaban ng mga manok na yun. Anyway, yun. So, maganda nga manok mo, paulit-ulit. No? Hindi mo, may 100 ka na ganyan. Pwede kang lumaban na ilang derby. Paulit-ulit. Wala mga sugat. No? But again, ang goal mo, mabilis pumatay para hindi na siya makasugat. Hindi na makaganti sa'yo yung kalaban. Patayin mo na kaagad. No? Para man kung sa tao yan, nakita mo na yung mga movies ni James Bond ba? Sino ba yung mga sikat dyan na hindi na tatamaan? Laging siya nakakauna, like boom! Patay na, wala na. Diba? Like, ganyan lang. No?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You're welcome.
Sir, salamat sila.
Ang interviewer.
Hindi ko mag-video na lang. Si Dr. Rikamura, si Sir Glenn, thank you ninyo guys. Ako niya tabi sa Lokal.
Lasa Lokal.
Lasa Lokal.
Located in Talisay. Mohon. Talisay. Right behind the City Hall of Talisay. Yan lang sa likod ng City Hall ng Talisay. Very good food.
Very good food. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Sir Glenn.
Welcome.